Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Midday market update. Gold rises 2.5%. Just Energy shares spike higher. Analysis http ntvforex.com. News ID 156277 8/28/2025 07:46 p.m. Midway through trading Friday, the Dow traded up 0.44% to 28,616.59, while the Nasdaq rose 0.52% to 11,685.93. The S&P also rose, gaining 0.32% to 3,495.85. The U.S. has the highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths in the world, reporting a total of 5,869,690 cases with around 180,850 deaths. Brazil confirmed a total of over 3,761,390 COVID-19 cases with 118,640 deaths, while India reported a total of at least 3,387,500 confirmed cases and 61,520 deaths. In total, there were at least 24,487,560 cases of COVID-19 worldwide with over 832,370 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Leading and lagging sectors. Energy shares gained 0.9% on Friday. Meanwhile, top gainers in the sector included NBSP PBF Energy Incorporated NBSP PBF 7.82%, up 9%, and NBSP Ultrapar Participa AESSA NBSP UGP 6.35%, up 7%. In trading on Friday, real estate shares fell by 0.5%. Top headline. Big Lots, Inc. NBSP Big 10.24%. NBSP reported better than expected earnings for its second quarter. Big Lots reported quarterly earnings of $2.75 per share, beating analysts' estimates of $2.70 per share. The company reported sales of $1.64 billion, also surpassing expectations of $1.61 billion. Equities trading up. Nortex Systems Incorporated NBSP NSYS 16.99%. NBSP shares shot up 33% to $5.25 as the company announced the completion of sale and leaseback transactions for its manufacturing facilities. Shares of NBSP Just Energy Group Incorporated NBSP JE 36.14%. NBSP got a boost, shooting 36% to $0.4189 after the company announced stakeholder approval of its recapitalization plan. The company also posted upbeat quarterly earnings. Nutanix, Inc. NBSP NTNX 27.86%. NBSP shares were also up, gaining 28% to $27.85 after the company reported better than expected Q4 results. The company's current CEO Dheeraj Pandey also announced plans to retire upon the selection and appointment of the next CEO. Nutanix also reported a $750 million investment from Bain Capital Private Equity. Equities trading down. Pedivco Corp. NBSP PED 50.37%. NBSP shares tumbled 42% to $1.23. Pedivco issued a second status update regarding open letter delivered to Avalon Energy, LLC. Pedivco shares climbed 169% on Thursday after the company delivered an open letter to the Sandridge Permian Trust, its unit holders, and the operator of its assets regarding an indication of interest to acquire the Sandridge Permian Trust and underlying assets. Shares of NBSP Oncternal Therapeutics, Inc. NBSP ONCT 12.9%. NBSP were down 12% to $2.1752 after the company priced its offering on a firm commitment basis of 2.143 million shares at $2.10 per share. The closing of the offering is expected to occur on or about September 10. Destination XL Group, Inc. NBSP DXLG 19.91%. NBSP was down, falling 23% to $0.345. Destination XL Group shares jumped around 56% on Thursday after reporting Q2 results. Commodities. In commodity news, Oil traded down 0.1% to $43.03, while gold traded up 2.5% to $1,980.10. Silver traded up 2.5% Friday to $27.71, while copper rose 1% to $3.0195. Eurozone European shares were mostly lower today. The Eurozonia STOXX 600 fell 0.52%, the Spanish IBEX index gained 0.6%, while Italy ASFTSE MIB index slipped 0.03%. Meanwhile, the German DAX 30 declined 0.48%, French CAC 40 fell 0.26% and UK shares fell 0.61%. Economics: the U.S. trade deficit on goods increased to $79.32 billion in July versus a revised $70.99 billion in the earlier month. Wholesale inventories declined 0.1% in July. The Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index increased 0.3% in July, versus a 0.5% rise in June. The Chicago PMI fell to 51.2 in August versus 52 in July. The University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index rose to 74.1 in August versus a preliminary reading of 72.8. The Baker Hughes North American Rig Count report for the latest week is scheduled for release at 1:00 p.m. ET. Data on farm prices for July will be released at 3:00 p.m. ET. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.